This is another Tibaldi pen we want to show you today. This is the Tibaldi Bononia Fountain Pen. And if you've watched any of the other Tibaldi unboxings, you just push in the end here. And this, even though this is a sleeve, you could pull off if you want. You can just leave it there and the interior box slides out. And then you have your pen, and the interior box has some interesting designs around the edges here. And then you have your pen. This is the Bononia Fountain Pen in Seashell Mist. The Tibaldi Bononia Fountain Pen design was originally inspired by the models from the 30s. That's what the Tibaldi company described as their inspiration, which I thought was interesting. They did also explain their design inspiration process by saying that this recent reincarnation of the Italian design keeps the rounded tapered design that you can see here, but it also features stripes in that resin material of the body and the pen cap, which I love. I love the material used for this pen. It's got some really good contrast between the different lights and darks. The finishes on this pen are palladium finishes. The pen clip is spring metal. Then you'll have the 3 lines here, the 3 rings at the bottom of the pen cap, and above that, the Tibaldi name. Seems to be kind of a trademark in some of their designs, although I have seen some exceptions. The cap is a screw-on cap. The pins are fitted with a stainless steel nib engraved with the Tibaldi name. The Tibaldi's been actually making pens since 1916, and if you already know their company, you might already have an impression of them, but the impression that I got from my introduction to the company, because they're kind of new here at Pen Chalet, was that they take classic traditional designs and mix it up with some street style trends, which I think turns out well. Oh, and so inside the pen, you'll find your converter already installed for you here, and it's branded. It's got the Tibaldi name right there. You can, of course, use your Tibaldi Bononia fountain pens with standard international ink cartridges as well, if you would prefer. But the ink converter is already installed when you receive your pen. In the box, you receive your pen. If you lift up your velvet cover, you have your warranty card and also 2 fountain pen ink cartridges included. And this one, as I said, is Seashell Mist, but the pen also comes in Martini Olive. Also, the Bononia line features your fountain pens, which we looked at first, ballpoint, and then your rollerball. If you want more information, check it out at penchalet.com.